Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I thought I would share all the home decor that I recently purchased for Valentine's Day. Now, I do not go as nearly crazy for Valentine's Day as I do for Christmas and even fall. This is very minimal. It's just like a couple items, nothing too overwhelming, but I still do like to decorate for Valentine's Day. So I wanted to share these home decor pieces with you, as well as let you know where I got them and where you can go to get really cheap, cute decor. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see the home decor I picked up for Valentine's Day, then just keep watching. So I thought for today's video, it would be more laid back. I'm sitting on the ground and I'm filming in my bedroom, if you couldn't have guessed. And I'm so glad I found this mini ring light that I got from Amazon a while ago. It's literally like this big, because if I didn't have that right there, but you guys can't see it, it would be really dark in here. So I'm glad I found it. It's more relaxed and chill vibes today. So I saw this. This is actually from TJ Maxx. It was $5.99, super cheap. So this says love you more, and I got this because I always say this to my husband. I'm like, I love you more. So I thought that was really cute. So I have this in my kitchen, and also at the end of the video I'm going to show you guys, once I figure out where I want to like put all this stuff and decorate, I'm going to show you guys where I put it. But most of these items are just going to go in my kitchen. So this is the first little thing. They had all other phrases, you know, all little cute phrases, so I just went with this one that said love you more. Next from TJ Maxx is this set of 3 heart bowls. I'm absolutely obsessed. Now I'm going to show you the middle size one in a second because I actually have candy in it, but it's a set of 3 and I just love them, you guys. And around like the holiday, like any type of holiday, I like to have like little decorative bowls and have some sort of candy in them. So I thought these little heart-shaped ones were really cute. These are going to go right in my kitchen. So the set of 3 was $5.99 and they're kind of like ceramic almost. So they're really nice. They're not like, you know, cheaply made or anything. And this is the middle size one that I currently, today I went and put M&Ms in them, and like I've been eating them all day. Oh my goodness, you guys. But that's like they had all different other, you know, they had a lot of heart-shaped ones. They had ones that were just a regular bowl shape, but they had like hearts all over them. They had pink hearts, but the pink hearts were like longer. They weren't shaped like a perfect heart like this. They were like more of like a longer heart. So I went with the red ones. They're really cute. And I just need to show you guys, like, I'm obsessed with M&Ms. Clearly, I'm eating them right now. But for Valentine's Day, you need these in your life. I love to get the M&Ms for like all the different holidays. I just retired the Christmas ones. Now we're doing the Valentine's Day ones. These are amazing. So I have like 2 or 3 bags of these, and I just keep pouring it in to these little hearts and eating them. I'm gonna have to fill this back up after the video. So good. But yeah, so that's like a good idea. I like to do that every year, just to have like little decorative bowls and put candy in them. Next are dish towels, and dish towels are becoming a major obsession to me. I would love to be able to create the phrases that you see on the dish towels in Home Goods and TJ Maxx and Marshalls, because I'm just obsessed. So, and I wasn't even gonna get anything for Valentine's Day. I have the ones the ones that I currently had were like, all I want to do is stay home and drink wine with my cat or something like that. There's nothing wrong with those, but I saw the Valentine's Day ones and I'm like, all right, I need some new ones. So these were a 2-pack, and I believe, because I already ripped the price off, but these are from Home Goods. This just says wine is my Valentine. Like, how appropriate is this? For me, at least. It may not be for some of you, but this is definitely appropriate for me. They did have another one, and it had cats on it, and I forget what the phrase was, but I ended up going with this one. I just thought that this was so cute. It was a 2-pack, so I have the other one downstairs, and I believe these go for like $7.99, I want to say, for like a 2-pack. This is like more of like a lightweight material. It's not really like the dish towel material, but you could still use it as a dish towel. And this came as a 2-pack as well, and it says love you more. So I just love that phrase. They had other phrases as well, and they had other colors. So they had like red with white hearts, and then it said like love you more, another phrase. And I think they had what did they have? I don't even know. I think they just had the red and the white, and this was a 2-pack, and I believe it was like around $6.99 or $7.99 as well. The last 2 items are going to be from Walmart, and side note, Walmart has a whole like aisle or 2 of Valentine's Day decor, and then like just the candy. Obviously this is where I got the candy from, Walmart. Yeah, I mean, I could have gotten some other types of candy. I just stuck to the M&Ms because it could get real dangerous. So I'm not sure if this video went up or not by the time you're seeing this, but I did recently a Walmart favorites video, or items that you need from Walmart. I mentioned their carnations. They are super cheap, and I kid you not, these last 2 weeks. No joke. Now these are Walmart's mini carnations. They have regular size carnations, and then they have all different other flowers. They have roses. The roses, I believe, are like $9.97, and I know I get exact with these prices when it comes to Walmart, you guys, because I'm there like at least like twice a week. So they have roses and everything like that, but they really have nice flowers. I got these over a week ago, you guys, and I mean, they still look awesome. Obviously, they have all different colors, but red and even pink for Valentine's Day is perfect. I like to keep fresh flowers in my kitchen, so I just wanted to recommend this is like a really simple, affordable decor piece for Valentine's Day, especially if you get red. You don't have to get roses. I didn't get roses. I got carnations because honestly, like I said, the carnations last like up to 2 weeks. I got this, I want to say I bought these like 8 days ago, and they still look that good, you guys. So last but not least, this year I decided to get a wreath for my front door, and it's crazy because I was really impressed when I saw this. I wouldn't think that this is from Walmart, you guys. They had a couple other different like variations, like they had heart-shaped wreaths with like flowers on them, or like with like flowers, like the material flowers on them. This is like that hardwood material, as you guys can see, but isn't this wreath like everything? It looks so nice on my black door outside, and this wreath was $14.88, so it's not going to break the bank, because wreaths at like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, they can be upwards like of $25. So this is a really cute wreath. It gets the job done. I'm obsessed with it. It's supposed to look like, you know, roses. I'm going to go downstairs and figure out where I want to put some of these pieces. The great thing is it's going to take me under 10 minutes or under 5 minutes probably to decorate for Valentine's Day. So once I'm done, I will show you what the outcome is. Okay, you guys, so I am outside. I just wanted to show you the wreath quickly because it is freezing outside, but I just think it looks so nice, especially with the black door. But even if you had a white door, this wreath would look really nice. First off, I just want to say hello to little Miss Koala. She's looking out the back window at all the snow we got again, but we only got like 5 inches. Koala, say hi to everybody on YouTube. This is what she likes to do. She likes to sit by the sliding glass door. Koala, say hi, pretty girl. So you guys have seen my kitchen a million times, but this literally took me like 5 minutes to do. So let's quickly show you what I did. So I put the Love You More sign right there, and I'm surprised that this area is clean because usually it's filled with mail and papers. And then we have our little heart bowl filled with M&Ms. Just filled it up, you guys, because I'm addicted. I can't stop eating. Moving over here, and I do apologize if it gets bright with the glare from the window, but we have our Walmart carnations. You guys, I'm still super shocked. We're going on 2 weeks here. It's been like almost 10 days, so we're going into like the 2-week mark here, and they look beautiful. So that's why I wanted to recommend them to you guys. And then moving down here, my favorite wine is my Valentine. I just put both of them right there. Last but not least, I decided to put the bigger dish towel right there on the stove that says Love You More. So basically that is it, you guys. It took me 5 minutes and it was awesome. Once I cleared out all my Christmas decorations, I kind of like, even though I love decorating for Christmas, I got excited because it was just so much more spacious. All right, you guys, so that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys decorate for Valentine's Day? This is my first year decorating for Valentine's Day. I started off very minimal. Like I said, I only have a few decorations. We'll see what happens next year. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.